She likes it here. Alright, so it's your first camping, huh? Look at you, Bubbles. Oh, so behave. Bagong ligo siya bago ko dinala dito. Yeah, I gave her a shower before bringing her here. Say hi to everybody. Bubbles, Bubbles, Bubbles. Ayan. May bodyguard ako. Ayun, may bodyguard ako. She knows when somebody comes, diba? Ayun. Very good. Alam na alam niya kung saan iihi. Very good, Bubbles. Alright, I'm making my macaroni and cheese with some salami and some sour cream and olives. Parang pizza na rin, right? But instead of pizza dough, I'm using macaroni and cheese. Cooking. Nice. All right. That's my macaroni and cheese with some salami and olives and some sour cream as well. I'm gonna have some salad also. Salad is good. It's dinner time. Gusto makiagaw ulit. You just ate your dog food. Very good. I love the cheese. Sarap ng tulog niya, oh. Ba't ka lang katingin? Bubbles! 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 Bubbles. Hey, baby. Well behaved ka dito, huh? You're really behaving well here. You love it here? Feeling comfy, huh? Feel at home? Love you, Bubbles. Oh, well behaved. Adjusted agad, huh? Yeah, she was able to adjust herself very well. Right away, huh? Tapos, tapos. Love you, Babos.